Legalize marijuana. There's nothing wrong with smoking a doobie.
Alcohol is bad for you, but pot is very good. Remember that, kids. Remember that. Ron Paul 2012. Don't forget to vote for him. Everybody else sucks. Major. Pot. Everything is good with pot. They're good in brownies, cookies, in a bowl, in a doobie. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with pot. Ron Paul 2012. Woo! Legalize it. That's all you need to do. You just need to legalize it. Everybody would be a lot happier if they just smoked a doobie. Ron Paul 2012. Don't forget, he's your man. Ron Paul 2012. Don't forget to legalize it. There's nothing wrong with a good, nice cannabinoid. Ron Paul 2012. Legalize it. Woo!
Best sales of the year, better sales than Black Friday. Today you can shop away your conscience. It will disappear if you buy enough shit. Don't worry that a Malaysian made your shoes. They're comfortable. You make the best shoes. It doesn't matter that they were slaves. It's the cheapest prices in the world.
Say something.
I don't want to yell at these old people.
Why not?
Today is Black Friday. Today is Blood Money Friday. Correction, Blood Money Friday. Get the cheapest enslaved made shit. Even though it was made by slaves, it is cheap. Buy it. Shop at Walmart. Support corporate greed. You just make us CEOs richer. Thank you. I repeat, quit your jobs. Join the revolution. Your jobs suck anyways. Let's face it. Gray hair and nails for the price of an Ethiopian's blood. I'm good. How are you? I don't want to order from you guys. Quit your job. Stop slaughtering chicken. Quit your job. Stop beating up cows. This is a message from the revolution. Join us. Don't let society get you down. You are essential to our democracy. God loves you, man. You're awesome. I love you too. Smoke weed.
That's how the World Trade Center went down.
Yeah, it's too close to the equipment there.
Oh shit.